Oh, kia ora, my cousins. It's me, Buzz. I'm just thinking about some of the amazing creatures that we have here on planet Earth. I've been thinking about giraffes, I've been thinking about tuatara, axolotls, and donkeys. I want a donkey. Hey, I've got an idea. Why don't we go and investigate some of the weirdest and wonderfulest creatures we have here on planet Earth? I know the perfect place as well. Whai mai aho. Woo! Te whare pupuri tonga, the museum. Come on, my cousins. Check it out! This place is amazing. Let's go and see heaps of amazing creatures from our planet. Hoake. Oh, what is that? Whoa. What is that? He aha tēnā. Is that a leopard? Ooh, Pumbaa. This whare has so many beautiful tonga in it. Check out this tonga from the bottom of the moana. It makes a sound when I put my voice into it.
Kia ora, Pasakazi, back at it again on another amazing adventure.
Oh, look, these straws have heaps of tonga in them. Let's check them out. Tarantulas. I love tarantulas. Whoa, they're enormous. Look, that one's got little hairs all over it. That one's the biggest one. What does that eat? Goliath bird-eater tarantula. It eats birds. It's almost as big as my hand. Wow, you're super strong. These are some of the most beautiful punga were I've ever seen in my life. I should call you huge were. You've done it again, Buzz. Let's go. Whoa, ngā tamariki o Tangaroa. Check out all the creatures of our moana. I see a mako. Let's go. Kia ora. Check out how ginormous this mako is. Do you know that they're the fastest sharks in the world and they can jump up to 20 feet high? I want to be a mako. Whoa, check out these little chicks and their mum. That reminds me of me and my brother John Boy. Check this out, my cousins. Can you guess where this comes from? That's right, a honu. I want to be a honu. Beautiful, ne? Come on. Oh! I found you here, Mara. We've seen so many beautiful creatures today from our planet, and we've got to remember to look after them too, my cousins. I want to be a kazi kaitiaki. Ka kite anō, my cousins. Mokonui, dinosaurs.